I ran a blind test between a professional narrator and an AI voice clone.
3 weeks ago, I paid $500 for a narrator. 3 days of waiting, 2 rounds of revisions. The clip you are about to hear was generated in under a minute. Certainly going to do some thinking about what we did. We're Smurfs. We do the right thing. Wow.
Most people guessed wrong. And the scary part isn't the quality. It's how little the AI costs. The tool is Noiz AI, used by 1 million plus creators, unlimited voices, 1 to 3 second generation. The reason I'm walking you through it instead of just listing features, I rebuilt a $500 narration in under 5 minutes. Same script, same emotional beats. And it's the voice you just heard. Let's start where the real money used to go, hiring talent. 3 weeks ago, this is exactly where the $500 went. I needed a professional narrator for a long-form video. Warm tone, clean delivery, 90 seconds of script. Posted the job on voices.com. Mid-tier talent, 3-day wait, 2 rounds of revisions. Standard 2026 rate per the GVAA rate guide. Now watch the alternative. I hit voice clone, upload a 3-second sample with permission, 3 seconds, while 11 Labs still needs 10. And Noiz builds the voice model in under a minute. The output preserved the pacing, the breath marks, the way the voice trails off at sentence ends. Listening back is mildly uncomfortable, which is honestly the highest compliment I can give a voice clone. 3 days of waiting was replaced with 1 minute, but cloning's only useful if you have a voice to clone. For everything else, Noiz has 150 plus stock voices, age, accents, character types. I auditioned about 20. None had the flat AI tell most TTS libraries still ship with. Latency held in the 1 to 3 second range, so I could test fast. But pick any voice, and most TTS tools fall apart on emotion. Here's where Noiz does something I haven't seen anywhere else. I drop emoji directly into the script. Smiley face lifts the voice. Sleepy emoji slows it down. Sparkle adds energy. The model reads emoji as stage directions. Sounds gimmicky written down. In practice, it's the cleanest emotional control I've used in any AI voice tool. I pick a voice, paste the script, drop 2 emoji in, and generate. Watermark-free export, even on the free tier.
I can hear footsteps behind me. They're getting closer. I don't want to look back. My heart is pounding so hard I can. I feel it in my throat. Then suddenly, silence.
Total credits burned, 30 cents. Which brings us back to the blind test I opened with.
3 weeks ago, I paid $500 for a narrator. 3 days of waiting, 2 rounds of revisions. The clip you are about to hear was generated in under a minute. Certainly going to do some thinking about what we did. We're Smurfs. We do the right thing. Wow.
The clip you heard first was the AI. The second clip was the $500 narrator. If you guessed right, you're in the smaller half. And remember, I told you the scary part wasn't the quality. The quality's already there.
I need to call everyone I know right now.
The scary part is what happens when you start stacking what this thing can do. Watch. The narrator I hired doesn't speak Japanese. So if I want this video in another market, that's a second hire. Another $500, more delays. Watch what Noiz does instead. I drop the voiceover in, select Japanese, generate. Same voice, same emotion, different language.
本物の声には、踏みの終わりに必須何かが残ります。ほんのわずかな吐息、ヒッチの揺らぎ、次の言葉が生まれるまでの一瞬の静けさ。
The intonation pattern is preserved. Most dubbing platforms flatten it. Noiz supports English, Chinese, Spanish, and Japanese natively. And every voice I clone or design lives in the voice library permanently. Unlimited storage. Most tools cap saved voices and force a tier upgrade to keep them. Noiz doesn't. So the next time I make a video for this project, I don't rehire. I just type. That's 3 narrators worth of work in 2 languages, with ongoing brand consistency built inside one dashboard. Now imagine you're making a documentary-style video and you need 3 different speakers. Different ages, different personalities. Normally, 3 more hires, 3 more invoices. I type a 60-year-old retired teacher, enthusiastic but slow. Generate. Then,
well, good morning, class.
A 22-year-old gym bro who talks too fast. Generate.
Boss, the one and only DJ Maddox 256.
Then I upload a stock photo of a calm, middle-aged woman and let Noiz design a voice to match the image. 3 voices in under 2 minutes.
today's fast-paced world, staying ahead isn't just about hard work.
The image-to-voice generation is the only feature in this entire walkthrough I'd call genuinely novel. 11 Labs doesn't offer it, which raises the fair question. Where does the human voice artist still win? One place: high-stakes work that requires live direction. A studio session, 30 takes, real-time notes from a director, emotional choices the AI can't intuit yet. For premium documentary work or branded productions with creative leads on the call, the human is still the right call. For YouTube videos, social content, e-learning, audiobooks, explainers, and podcasts, the cost to quality math has clearly shifted. Which brings me to the part I called scary at the start, the actual cost. Noiz's starter plan is $2.99 per month, roughly 80% below 11 Labs for the equivalent feature set. There's also a fully free tier with daily credits. The entire walkthrough you just watched, the clone, the emotion test, the Japanese dub, the 3 designed voices, was generated on the free tier. Real total cost, $0. That's why the quality wasn't the scary part. The price is. Free version links in the description. For everything else, Noiz has unlimited stock voices. Age, accents, character types. I auditioned about 20. None had the flat AI tell most TTS libraries still ship with. Run the same blind test on your own script. Upload a 3-second sample, paste a 90-second narration, compare it against what you'd pay a voice artist for. Drop your result in the comments. Next video. Noiz versus 11 Labs. Head-to-head. Same scripts, you pick the winner. Catch you in that one.